Nick and Pop go out in the snow. Nick and Pop went out in the snow and skied on the slopes. They were tired. They rested beneath a giant pine tree. Nick and Pop decided to build a snowman. They built a cute snowman, and Pop put his own hat over its head. It was getting late. They went back home. Nick and Pop came back in the evening. The snowman was missing. Where is the snowman? Pop asked. Nick and Pop looked up. They were shocked to see the snowman there. The snowman was sitting on the tree.
But how did you come alive?
Asked Nick. The snowman jumped onto the ground and said, "Pop's hat is a magic hat. On wearing it, I came alive." The snowman threw snowballs at Nick and Pop. Pop threw a snowball back at the snowman's head and knocked his hat off. The snowman froze the moment the magic hat came off. Nick and Pop were shocked. I miss him, Pop cried. Let's put the hat on his head and revive him again. Nick put the hat on the snowman's head and waited. He moved. Was I asleep? The snowman asked, scratching his head. Yes, and now you're back. Let's play, Pop said. He threw another snowball at him, not aiming at his head this time.